My name is Volker Rommel. I'm the head of the SAP Competence Center at Interroll. Interroll is world-leading manufacturing of key products for unit load handling, internal logistics and automation. Interroll products you find in areas like distribution, like airport handling, like postal services. Let's say Interroll is nearly everywhere involved where goods are rolling. Interroll serves 23,000 customers worldwide. We are located in 28 locations spread over the world. We want to grow and we want to get better, more competitive, to improve the quality of the products, to have better lead times, shorter lead times, and to improve our services for the customers. These are the major reasons for the implementation of SAP. We had a deep analysis in all that different ways how you can implement SAP. On one hand, you have the real big bang scenario, which is the most risky one, but in terms of, let's say, budget, also the most efficient one. On the other hand, you have the sequence approach, when you take every small unit and implement SAP in a sequence. This is a very safe approach, but it is definitely the most expensive. So what we did is we identified a fitting approach to our organization, the approach to make partial big bangs. So we clustered legal entities of Interroll and implement then SAP and go live on one go live date. We have a SAP CC structured in two areas. We have a partner for application management, and we have this big project challenge and staffing of project. There we have as well a partner, Red Commerce, Red Solutions, and they gave us the flexibility and the stability we need in such a complex situation, having the right resources at the right time. Because when you think, for example, about fit gap analysis, you need already the people on board with the knowledge about the legal requirements. You need later for the implementation, and you need for the go live support. So in this time in between, you only have a little to do. And this is a big challenge, because when you remember, we talk about 12 to 15 companies in one cluster. And then we talk about a lot of staff we need related to these legal requirements. And you cannot keep them for a long time. This is simply too expensive. When you have a traditional implementation partner, he is forced to use his own staff. And this is definitely not the flexibility giving we need. With the approach we follow, we can use the whole SAP market. In some areas, we also go in a direction of management on time. We have people, consultants from Red Commerce in the position of a CC lead. So this is, I think, quite a good sign to see how efficient it is possible to work together with a contractor. It needs some preparation. You have to be very good organized, but it works very well if you follow some rules. Very important is take care for the change coming with an SAP implementation. Take care for the processes and take care that processes are properly tested. We made very good experience in this area using the solution manager for completeness, for understanding which volume really needs to be tested. But this is only a tool, so you have to use the tool in the proper manner. For example, we were using Kaizen process as well for testing. That speed up our test procedure very much. And then last but not least, in all these projects you need reliable, skilled, excellent people with a quite good balanced mix of skills. In some areas, for example, you need the functional guy who is very deep in the process. In another area, you need the one who is able to lead business. You also have to take care, when you follow this approach, that you plan properly, that you steer all the tasks precise, and that you control. When you follow these rules, you will end up in a very good success, and also Red Solutions and Red Commerce can help you there.